there. Hi guys, today we're in Five Nights at Freddy's. Kuya Alexis, my cousin, always jump scared me and Kelly. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh! I'm okay. I'm just clapping. Oh my God, I'm okay. Oh my gosh, I was afraid of fox. Oh my gosh, this is actually true. Yes, I'm not true, guys. This is true. I'm scared. One, two, three. Okay.
Hi guys, I see Atiya's butt cheeks.
Whoa!
I see your butt cheeks, Atiya.
I'm down here.
I see your butt cheeks.
It's good. You're red. It's teleported. Hi, Kelly. Are you see me? Kelly, what to see? Bro, I'm actually here. Bro, that wasn't me. Don't you imagine? It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke.
Please, I'm here.
This guys. Oh my God. But you want to know how to teleport in here? Go there. If you're down and I gotta go here like this. Look, this is me. And go here like that. Okay? I gotta be scared for going up there. Okay, I know how to go up. Wait, I don't know how to go down. Bro, I didn't see. I see you. Ken, I didn't see you there. I didn't see you there. Bro, I'm here. Let's go. I'm down here.
Well, that's cheating.
Because I know that it's gotta be broke. That's it. No, because my legs hurt. That's why I go back there. Because I go there. When I go out, but not go up
yan.
My water is here.
Ba't ka nakabit?
This has been 5 minutes, guys. Sorry. Sorry. Because I hit my head before that morning. Ah! My brother just. Ah! There was a friendship spinner! Oh my god! Bro, why you do that to viewers? It's our subscribers. Okay guys, I cannot make some shorts because my phone is low, but oh my gosh, bro.
Yes, gone.
Okay guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been 7 minutes. Okay, this has been 7 minutes. Bye.